The Great British Seaside. That is where we are today. I have dressed appropriately for my holidays. I have got my flamboyant shirt on, my shorts, and Matty's wearing something probably a little bit more appropriate to the weather.
Yeah, absolutely.
But today, we have travelled quite a significant distance. We've come over the border and we've invaded Wales to a place called Llandudno, or as the Welsh would say, Llandudno. How's your Welsh accent, Matty?
It's not great.
Try the. Can you do it? Yeah, you can do it.
Sounds like static with mine. It sounds like static.
That's it, yeah. And I've got the colourful umbrella to go with it as well. And we're going to be having a little look around Llandudno today, showing you a couple of British holiday experiences. We've got some fish and chips coming on the way. We're going to be walking across the pier, just over my left shoulder a bit later on. And if we can at some point, we're going to try and get some ice cream as well. How does that sound?
Yeah, sounds good to me. Sounds good to me.
There's one good thing, mate, about it being a little bit overcast today, and that is it might dissuade some of those pesky Liverpudlians from coming here.
Oi! Oi! I'm after the Liverpudlian this
Yeah,
time.
Matty's got Liverpudlian family, so I thought a little jive there would be good. Give us an accent, Matty. Give us a Liverpudlian accent.
Yeah, what's wrong with that?
Right, okay. Should we enjoy a bit of Llandudno?
I think we should.
See if we can get a bit of holiday on the go. Now that is commitment. Oh, well, that's me foot well and truly wet now. Now, little story for you guys. I remember about 3 or 4 years ago when I last came here. It was a bright, beautiful, sunny day, a rare occasion in Britain, and I brought myself an ice cream. And I think I was stood about here, looking over the fantastic view, which, I mean, it's still all right, but we're not blessed with such a brilliant view today. And a seagull attacked me, pecked my head, and nicked me ice cream. I'm serious.
Really?
Absolutely, yeah.
Oh my God.
Yeah. I've been attacked twice by seagulls. What's this say here? Seashells from Thailand. Okay. Lace from Nottingham. Probably rather seashells from Llandudno. You would. Oh well, come on. 90p each or 4 for £3. Are you hungry enough for a donut?
Are you?
Maybe. I'm gonna get a bit of that holiday taste in me. Why not? I'll go for one if you don't mind. That's brilliant. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day, and fingers crossed you get a few more people here, all right?
Have a good day.
Cheers. Fresh Donuts, Donut Man, that's the company. Smells nice. Nice soft donut, sugared up. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yep. I'm on holiday now. If it wasn't in COVID times, you'd have a nibble of my donut. Sounds a bit wrong, but...
Yeah, it does. It does. It does.
Right, okay. So donuts from the Donut Man, Llandudno Pier. Very, very nice. Quite reasonably priced, actually, considering it's right on the pier at a very popular holiday destination. 90p for one donut, and what was it? Was it £3 for 4?
Yes.
That's not bad, actually. Not too different from your Sunday market prices. Let's take our adventure into the town. Got what looks like a little indoor market there for jewellery. Here we go, mate. Bargain centre. Let's get Matty a souvenir. Just got Matty's gift out of the bargain centre. Llandudno, Wales. Ready for your special gift?
Go for it.
So I've enjoyed today so much, mate. It's meant so much to me that I thought I had to get you a gift that was memorable and you'd never forget. All right? There you are. From me to you.
Okay.
Quite weighty, isn't it?
It is quite weighty.
You'll love it. You absolutely love it, mate. There you are. Your favourite animal. Have a look.
My favourite animal. Oh dear.
Favourite animal. Really apt for Wales. Have a look.
Oh, God.
There you are. If you're ever feeling lonely or you miss the beach, then you can just give that a shake, and you've got a glitter sheep.
A glitter ball sheep.
That's it. Cost me the grand total £1.50, so you better appreciate it. Right, I don't know about you, but I'm feeling Bit of fish and chips.
I am feeling a bit of fish and chips.
Right, we just sat down at Barnacle's Fish and Chips in Llandudno. £7.20 for a portion of fish and chips. Not crazy expensive, would you think? No, considering it's by the seaside, I don't mind paying 1 or 2 extra quid than I would normally. Fingers crossed it's a nice generous portion though, yeah? You hungry?
I am, yeah. I don't know about you. Are you?
I'm hungry. We'll join you guys in a minute. Once it's sat in front of us, we can give you a bit of a review and you can see us eating some fish and chips at a British holiday destination on the seaside. See you in a minute. Hey, I tell you what, that's not bad, is it?
No. It's good.
That's more like it. Bit of fish and chips at the seaside. Right, did you want to take the obligatory first bite? Or do you want me to do it?
I'll let you do it.
Oh, okay, all right, fair enough then. I'm the food review guy, Mike.
Well, yeah. Well, you are.
All right.
You're the guinea pig.
Okay, let's go for some chips. Nice amount of vinegar and salt on there. Really nice. So a bit of fish. Well, more batter than fish, really. We'll have a bit of this first, and then we'll try and get to the meat and bones of the fish. Oh. That's crispy batter. I'll show you a close up of this box here. Got a nice bit of fish there. With the chips. Nice little takeaway box. Yeah, I'd agree with you. Nice presentation.
It is very well presented, I must admit.
Yeah. That is good. That's one thing that's a little bit hit and miss with chippies, I think.
Yeah.
Is sometimes the batter can be quite soggy.
Yeah.
But on this, I can happily report nice and crisp batter, which is what you want with fish and chips. See if we can get a little bit in the middle here. We get a nice bit of that fish. Oh, blimey. Look at that. The steam coming off it. This is what it's all about, innit?
Absolutely.
A nice British holiday. If you ever come to Britain, ladies and gents, if you're overseas, you need to come to a coastal destination, unless you're looking for a city break, which I wouldn't always recommend. But come to a coastal destination like Llandudno, get yourself some fish and chips, and feel like a real Brit for a day.
But come on a nice sunny day.
Yeah.
Don't do what we did.
Yeah, come when it's sunny. We're going to tuck into the rest of this fish and chips. What are you thinking so far, Matty? Give me your verdict.
It's cool.
It's cool. It's the first time I've ever heard fish and chips be called cool. Any other words to add to that?
Tasty.
Tasty. Cool and tasty. Okay. All right. We're going to finish the rest of this, and then what do you reckon? Ice cream to finish off? We'll get some ice cream to finish off our journey in Llandudno. We'll see you in a second. Wow. Cookies and cream. Oh, yes. Cookies and cream. Let's give it a bite. Oh, wow. Oreo cookies. A nice creamy vanilla ice cream. That is beautiful. One scoop. I think it was $2.50, I think, something like that. At the seaside. Not too bad, actually. Nice crisp cone as well. It's not stale, I can happily report. It's from the Looking Glass in Llandudno. Let's see what Matty's got. Oh, we got a pot?
Yeah.
You're not a big fan of the cone, then?
No, I don't trust myself.
Oh, okay. What'd you get, just chocolate?
I got chocolate.
Oh, nice.
It looks absolutely amazing.
It does look nice, actually. Nice.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's probably the best chocolate ice cream I've ever had.
We're going to sign out from Llandudno beachfront. I hope you guys have enjoyed this little video, walking around a little seaside destination in the UK. We had some fish and chips, we had some ice cream, been along the pier, we walked along the beach, we've seen the town, got Matty a little gift. It's been a good day, mate.
It has been a really good day.
Yeah, I've enjoyed it. I hope you guys have as well, and I will see you in the next video.